Great. So my name is Joseph from the Dar es Salaam Institute of Technology. One of the participants who participated in CLTP 14. And I'm also the UNISEC focal person for UNISEC-Tanzania. So in this brief remarks, I would like to cover 4 things. First, I would like to talk a bit about CLTP and give a very tiny history about CLTP. And then I will just touch a bit about CLTP 14, which will be presented in greater length by one of our speakers. And finally, I will introduce today's speakers. So about the CLTP. So CLTP stands for the Cancer Leaders Training Program. This is basically a program designed to teach how components and subsystems and how to integrate these components and subsystems into a full satellite. And the purpose is to make sure that we are sharing the experience and the processes of assembling, integrating, and programming the satellites. The program is designed to train the trainers, meaning that the participants are not only learning how to design, build, test, and launch small satellites, but also are learning how to teach others on all the aspects of small satellites. So I would like to give a little history about the CLTP program. So it started way back before 2011, but around 2011 and 2012, that's when CLTP 1 and CLTP 2 was held. And this was, the approach here was to design, to build and test the small satellites. So participants were learning by doing, and they were doing the entire development process from designing, building a CANSAT from scratch, testing, programming, and it was really interesting. And then from the CLTP 3 to around the CLTP 6, they were using the CANSAT training kit, as you can see on the photo. And after that, from CLTP 7 up to now, which is the last one, which was held recently, which is CLTP 14, the HeptaSat training kit has been used. So from CLTP 3 onwards, the approach has been doing the assembling, integration, and testing, and mission design engineering. So basically, that's a brief overview about the CLTP training. And I would like to take this opportunity to recognize the team, very brilliant team that has been managing the CLTPs. For the interest of time, maybe I will not mention each name, but as you can see on this slide, these are really wonderful team that has been managing CLTP from CLTP 1 all the way to CLTP 14. So we really have to recognize the contribution of this wonderful team for organizing and managing the CLTPs. So CLTP, as I said, it has been conducted 14 times. So as you can see on the slides, these are the graduation photos of the past CLTPs. And about the CLTP 14, so CLTP 14, as the name suggests, It stands for the 14th round of CLTP training program. It was conducted in Nihon University between 19th and 30th of 2025. And this round of training, as I mentioned earlier, it was using the HeptaSat training kit. And I think the details will be given a bit later after my briefing introduction. So I'm really happy that we have participated in the CLTP 14. And as you can see, this is a photo of the 14th CLTP graduation. And so our photo will be included in that list of the previous graduates. So it's really a pleasure that we are making history as well. And so without further ado, I would like to introduce our today's speaker. So as I said, I'm Joseph, but today we will also have an opportunity to hear from Shohei-san, from Bansi-san, from Marian-san, Essien-san, Ojash-san, Muhammad-san, Malun-san, and Derek-san. So without further ado, I would like now to invite the next speaker, Shohei-san, to give us a brief overview about CLTP training. Thank you very much, and I hope you will enjoy the experience that will be shared from these wonderful speakers. Thank you.